Now, read the title of the technique, Emotional Freedom Technique. Simply speaking, read it from the right hand side, a technique designed to free emotions. As simple as that. Okay, transform your emotions, transform your life. See, everybody is looking for transformation. Have you noticed the word transformation? Transform. Trans means change of form. The meaning of trans is change of form. Something you want to change. Okay, and I'm just recollecting a beautiful quote from Shakti Gavan. Shakti Gavan is one of the famous author in the world of transformation. She says the way to change is not to make the change. If you want to change something, the way is not to make the change, but find out the factors which are blocking in your life that is not allowing you to change. What are the factors which are blocking in your life? And one of the biggest block which is not allowing us to change is emotions. Certain emotions like fear, anxiety, stress, anger, restlessness, nervousness. Fear is one of the big block, and EFT technique has a proven results to transform your emotions into more positivity, confidence, and the change of emotions towards a healthier one. So Gary Craig is the one who founded this emotional freedom technique. How many of you have seen this Kung Fu Panda movie? Just raise your hand. Anybody seen? Almost everybody seen. Yes, Swaroop, yes.
Yes.
Chandrasekhar, perfect. Almost everybody has seen. Now I am asking you second question. Those who have unmuted, do you know there is a dialogue from the master Kung Fu Panda? He will tell the Panda, there is something you are missing. That is chi, chi. Do you hear? Do you remember the dialogue chi, chi?
No, sir.
No, okay, not a problem. You can check. You can just put a title on YouTube, Kung Fu Panda Chi. You will get the videos associated with it. So, what is Chi? Chi is basically the essential energy force, life force that we all need and want in order to keep our life more healthy and more energetic. Now, Chi is simply speaking. I'm showing you a simple pipe on my screen on my camera. This is a simple pipe. Okay, Madhura used couple of times a word called as meridian. You heard the word meridian, yeah? That and in Marathi or Hindi is called as Nadi Shastra. So Nadi is something like a pipe, an energy pipe. There are thousands of energy pipes throughout our body, and what happens is because of lack of energy that is flowing through this energy pipe, we feel stressful, we feel very very anxious. And this EFT tapping technique which we are going to practice just now, it is going to release those blocks or emotional blocks which nothing but cleanses the pipe, and automatically the energy flow starts circulating once again, and we start feeling very much relaxed and peaceful. So are you ready to practice EFT with me? Yes. Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Good. I want some of you to unmute and start practicing with myself, like Virendra sir or someone who has not much of background noise. Those you please unmute. Yeah, couple of them. Even Swapna also please unmute, and let's start with me. Okay, we would be tapping 9 tapping points. I'm showing you on the screen. Just tap along with me. Point number 1 is karate chop. So just tap with me. Everybody will be tapping with me, and those who are unmuted, like Virendra sir and Swaroop, they will say what I say. So as you tap on karate chop, repeat after me. Even though
Even though
Even though
I feel stressed,
I'm
stressed,
stressed,
worried and anxious,
worried
and
and
anxious,
frustrated,
I deeply and completely
I deeply
I
and
deeply,
completely
completely
love and accept myself.
love
Love
and
and accept
accept
myself.
myself.
Super. Now I want all of you to close your eyes for 5 seconds. Just observe your breathe, take a deep breath, and as you tap, just say yes to my question. Can you love yourself the way you are right now?
Yes.
yes,
Can
Yes,
you love and accept all your emotions right now?
yes,
Yes.
Can you give yourself full permission to love your stress, worry, and frustration right now?
No.
No, that is
no,
where.
no.
Okay, wonderful. Now that's a very good Virendraji. So tap with me. Even though
Even though
even
I
though
can't give myself permission to accept my stress,
I can't give permission to
I I still choose to love and accept myself.
I still choose to accept and love myself.
Exactly.
Very
Yes.
good. So this is where I'm bringing in whatever is your current state. Your first step is love and acceptance no matter what. The moment you do that, you start creating a transformation power inside you. So start tapping on eyebrow. So tap point number 2 and repeat after me. All my stress,
All my stress,
I acknowledge my feelings and emotions,
I acknowledge my feelings and emotions,
and I'm choosing to let them go now.
and I am choosing to let them go now.
Yes, instead of holding them,
Instead of holding them,
suppressing them in my body,
Suppressing of my body.
suppressing them in my body,
suppressing them in my body,
I am choosing to let it go.
I am choosing to let it go.
Now just take a breathe, and as you are closing your eyes, check in your life what are the activities are very stressful for you, what are the things that stresses you the most, and tap on side of the eye. Next point, point number 3, side of the eye. And as you're tapping, keep a focus that this particular activity and situation makes me very angry, very frustrated, and think that in your mind and tap and repeat after me. All my anger,
All the anger,
all the frustration,
all the frustrations,
no longer choose to suppress,
no longer
choose to suppress.
not expressing it on others.
not expressing it on others.
I'm releasing and letting it go.
I am releasing and letting it go.
Just take a breathe and let it go. Wonderful. You can let it go. You have the power to let it go. Great. Below the eye. Next point. Now connect to the feelings of anxiety. All the anxiety and panic. And repeat after me. All the anxiety,
All the
All the
anxiety,
fear,
fear,
worries and panic.
worries and panic.
I no longer choose to run away from it.
I no
I no
longer
longer choose to run away from it.
I am choosing to let it go now.
I am choosing to let it go.
now.
Now, point number 5, below the nose. I am ready to let it go.
I am ready to let it go.
I am now choosing to let this go completely.
I am now
Now
choosing to let it go completely.
So let me ask you a question. Given a choice, would you like to let it go?
Yes.
Yes. Can you let it go some more right now?
Yes.
Very good. That's the spirit. Chin, point number 6. All the sense of helplessness connected with this.
All the sense of
All the sense of helplessness connected with this.
And all the sense of hopelessness connected to this.
All the
sense
sense
of
of
hopelessness
connected
connected
with
to
this.
Releasing and letting it go.
Releasing and letting it go.
Yes. Point number 7. Collarbone. Tap on collarbone. I am willing to let go of all the stress connected to this situation.
I am willing to
Let go all the stress connected with this situation.
The only thing I have in my hand
Only thing I have in my hand
and
is my 100% willingness.
is
is my
my
willingness.
Perfect. Point number 8. Cross your arms, 4 fingers below the armpit, both the side of the arm. You cross your both the hands and find out. Perfect.
below the arms means beside the arm.
below the armpit, on the rib cage.
Okay.
Yeah. And close your eyes and feel the stress in the body wherever you're feeling. Now when I say feel it, identify in your body where you feel discomfort, a pain, kind of tightness, maybe in the chest, maybe in the belly, or maybe in the shoulder, back. Just notice. Notice is the word. Notice, become aware, and keep breathing and repeat after me. Choosing to release all the stressful feelings and emotions.
Choosing to release all the stressful feelings,
and emotions.
emotions.
Choosing to release all the pain in my body.
Means the
Choosing to release
Choosing
all
to
the
release all the pain in my body.
Releasing backache, headache, shoulder
releasing
pain.
backache, headache.
Using backache, shoulder ache, headache.
Yes,
All the
very
pain.
good. Perfect. Top of the side. Now, last point is top of the head. Tap on this. And now, this is the last point we would be tapping. And take a breathe. and repeat after me, releasing everything that no longer serving me.
Releasing
everything servicing me.
No, ask yourself a question. Is fear serving you? No.
Is fear serving me? No.
No. Is stress serving you? No.
Is stress serving me?
No.
Is anger, tension, worry serving you?
Is anger, tension, worry serving you? No.
Absolutely not. So start with eyebrow once again. Choosing to relax.
Choosing to relax.
Choosing
Very
to
good.
relax.
Take a breathe. Now, can you choose completely to relax yourself right now as you're listening to me? This moment, just for this moment. Side of the eye. Allowing myself to be happy. Allowing more happiness. Repeat after me.
Allowing myself to be happy.
Very good. Superb. Below the eye. Choosing to be grateful.
Choosing to be grateful.
Just think in your mind. What are the things you are really grateful for your life, and tap. I'm choosing to be grateful for, and fill in the blanks in your mind.
Grateful for Jesus.
All the great things, everything like family, career, friends, colleagues, clients, money, abundance. Boost your energy, boost your vibration. When you consciously activate positive emotions with tapping, automatically the chi energy will increase. Below the nose, point number 5. Happy and peaceful.
Happy and peaceful.
In this moment right now.
In this moment right now.
Very good. Take a breathe. And breathe out through your mouth. Tap on chin. Now this is a question I'm asking. As you tap on chin, close your eyes and allow whatever answer come to you. Who would I be if I let go of all my stress?
Who would I be if I let go of all my stress?
Now just think about yourself. If I let go of all my stress, worries, tension, just for now, who would I be? Allow your mind to think of your better, more peaceful, harmonious, confident version of yourself. Let those images come up. Let your mind, body feel your best self. This is your best self. Who would you be? Just ask yourself a question. Who would I be if I let go of all my worries, which I keep thinking right from the morning, throughout the night, till I go to sleep, sometimes even in dreams. If I let go completely right now, who would I be? And connect to that more harmonious version. And tap side of the arm on the rib cage. And ask yourself, will I be more peaceful? Will I be more relaxed? Will I be more happy? Is happiness in my control? Is it my choice? And if can I make it top of the head? Can I choose that now? And I want everybody to repeat yes, yes, yes 3 times. Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
Yes.
right now, this moment. Perfect. Now take your right hand, put it on your chest or heart center. If possible, put both of your feet on the ground. Just ground yourself. Earth yourself. Keeping your eyes closed. As you breathe in a little slower and deeper into your chest and heart area. Slow and deep in your chest and heart area. On the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue for a few more seconds. Just ground yourself, earth yourself. Any stressful thoughts, feelings, emotions, images, anything, sometimes we carry emotions from people around us. So any emotions you're carrying from others, let those be released from your energy field. Let them ground. And allow yourself to feel as peaceful, relaxed as you can right now. And remind yourself that peace, happiness is your choice. You can make it, and the moment you make it, people around you will make it automatically, because in your energy field, in your aura, that peace vibration goes very strongly to everybody around you. That is called as strengthening the energy field and strengthening your aura. Moment you make this conscious choice for yourself, everybody will around you will start make it. And that is the way what we call as coherence. In heart math, this is called as building coherence for yourself. The moment you make personal coherence, there will be social coherence and there will be global coherence. But the responsibility starts with you. So 40 of us are making this choice right now, and we are contributing immensely to the people around us. So appreciate yourself, take a deep breath, just open your eyes, just stretch your arms a bit, stretch on your right, stretch on your left, move your shoulders, move your neck, and just feel relax your body, freshen up your mind, and boost your energy.